Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. Please note that this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and the only aim of this video is to get WhatsApp working on older devices so that people who use older devices can make these older devices usable again. And the method shared in this video is completely free and safe. So guys, I was reading your comments regarding the WhatsApp fix for iOS 12, iOS 13, iOS 14, and you have told me that some people are having issues getting the OTP once WhatsApp is fixed, meaning when they try to register it, they are not getting the OTP, or when they apply for the OTP, they are getting an error message that the WhatsApp version is too old. So in this video, I will show you the easiest method to get WhatsApp running on your older devices such as iOS 12, 13, 14. As you can see, I have this iPhone 7 which is currently running iOS 12.4.1. First things first, yes, you will have to be jailbroken. You can use camera jailbreak to jailbreak your device. The jailbreak guides are in the description, and simply install WhatsApp from the official app store. Search for the WhatsApp and install whatever is the last compatible version. Alright, go back, and when you open it, you will definitely see this error message. To fix it, you can use all the previous methods I shown you in my previous guides. Yes, they still work. I will link those guides in the description also for your ease. But briefly, I want to show you. If you open Celio now, go to sources and make sure the Big Boss repo is added. You'll see the repo here also. To add a repo, you can hit this plus button, type it here, and then hit add source. And to make your tweaks work, go to search and install libhooker common. Alright, as I recommend jailbreaking with camera, it is easy. For camera, you need libhooker common. For checkrain or Cydia, you will need a substitute. Once it is installed, go to sources, open the Big Boss repo, all categories, and search for WhatsApp or WA legacy, and simply install this package. Then restart Springboard. Once you're back, open WhatsApp. If in the future WhatsApp legacy or WA legacy stops working, you have the option to use WA send fix, and you have another tweak. I will put it also in the description or in the pinned comment. To install the alternate tweaks to fix WhatsApp, you will simply get there and simply open in Celio, get queue and install. So currently WA legacy is working. Open WhatsApp. Alright, agree. Now at the enter your phone number screen, please note it very carefully. Now here under the battery, there is a hidden button you won't see, but you can tap. Let me do it. Tap, and now you can link it as a companion device. So for example, if you have WhatsApp running on another phone, you will simply scan the QR code and it will start working on this older device without issues. Yes, notifications, everything will work. To remove your doubt, let me do it again. You can see the battery icon. Tap under it. Alright? Okay, simply tap on it. You will see this QR code. Now I will use my other device with WhatsApp, right? And then quickly scan it. Alright, you can see loading your chat. Alright, no issues whatsoever, guys. Yes, messages work. So I will try to message myself. Alright, you can see it works without issues. Let me close and let me reopen it. No issues whatsoever. I hope this will solve all of your problems regarding WhatsApp on older devices. If you still have issues and you want to ask something, you can always ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.